Proto Genius, it breaks down into 7 pieces.
That was the part I couldn't figure out with the frame.
How does it go together?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Basically.
you're gonna put it there.
Mhm.
So Tom, why don't you,
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna parse the whole thing together
okay,
and start from there.
okay, and so, Tom, once Al gets it parked together, let's start another video of